Industrial organizational psychology is the study of people at work. This field looks at how jobs, company structures, team dynamics, impact workers and businesses. For most of its history, IO psychology has aligned itself primarily with management. It has offered tools and insights to help companies improve hiring, boost performance, and shape leadership. This focus created a significant and often silent gap. The world of organized labor, unions, worker collectives, has largely been overlooked. A crucial part of the workplace experience was left out, limiting IO psychology's ability to truly improve working life for everyone. The origins of this separation stretch back to the field's early days. Pioneers often sought funding and access from corporate leaders, tailoring their work to solve management's problems. In some cases, early psychologists even assisted companies in efforts to counter unionization drives, cementing the perception of IO as a management tool. As the discipline matured within business schools and HR, this orientation deepened. The identity of the field followed suit. Curricula prioritized topics like individual motivation, executive coaching, employee selection, while topics like collective bargaining, labor relations, were pushed to the margins. This trend persists, creating a noticeable blind spot. Reviews of major IO journals and texts reveal a scarcity of research on unions and collective worker action. Most graduate programs offer little labor relations training. Many practitioners advise managers on individual fixes, but know little about collective institutions. This is a profound limitation because core IO topics, fairness, employee voice, well-being, are fundamentally altered by the presence of a union, which shifts organizational power dynamics and provides structured collective channels for voice. Focusing only on management-led initiatives misses the bigger picture. Unions negotiate over wages, benefits, safety protocols, and job security central to the psychological contract. When IO ignores collective bodies, its theories and tools risk being incomplete or ill-suited. Collective voice is a powerful vehicle for justice and dignity at work, and a key pathway to improving the outcomes the field claims to study. The gap has tangible consequences for workers. To close this gap, pursue partnership research. Invite workers and unions as co-designers, define the research questions together, select methods, and co-interpret findings. When leaders and members shape inquiry, research becomes actionable and relevant. Support constructive bargaining processes. Leverage expertise in negotiation, mediation, and group dynamics. Train management and union representatives in interest-based bargaining, shifting from positions to underlying interests, to enable win-win solutions. Offer neutral support when workers consider representation amid misinformation and pressure. Provide clear, unbiased information and safe spaces to deliberate. Use survey design, communication, and decision science to clarify priorities. Create confidential forums and decision aids to enable informed, coercion-free choices. Design and sustain democratic workplaces. Co-ops, employee ownership, co-determination. Train representatives in decision-making, financial literacy, and governance. Focus research on how unions advance DEI. Collaboration facilitated by organizational psychology is not theoretical. In the 1990s, Kaiser Permanente and unions moved from conflict to cooperation, creating a formal partnership with shared decision-making and responsibility. Thousands of frontline workers, managers, and physicians participate in unit-based teams, solving workflow, patient safety, and quality of care issues using shared data. Results: improved patient outcomes, better working conditions, and enhanced financial performance. Mondragon Corporation, a federation of worker cooperatives, institutionalizes employee voice through ownership and democratic governance across sectors. Members elect managers and join strategic decisions, supported by education and governance training. Training spans management, finance, and cooperative values, domains where IO expertise applies. Decades of success show workplace democracy can be viable, resilient, and innovative. Fixing the gap requires systemic, enduring shifts, starting with education. Integrate labor relations, history, law, and solidarity psychology into IO curricula and practica. Journals and funders should actively support union and collective voice research. Practitioners must pursue labor relations development and engage unions as key stakeholders. By bridging management and labor, IO psychology advances fairness, voice, evidence, and shared success.